Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to sync audio and video on CapCut. So let's get started. So to do that, what you have to do is first of all open up your CapCut application, and after opening up your CapCut application, now you have to just tap on new project and just select the audio and video that you would like to add. For example, I would like to add this video, and then again tap on import and just add a audio. So after selecting the audio and video, you just have to scroll this down. So drag this video and audio, and after dragging them down, now what you can do is just tap on the video and just come up to your audio section, which is on the top right, and just reduce the volume all the way down. And after doing that, now what you can do is just drag and select two of those audio and videos, and then right click. After right clicking here, you can find this option which says sync video to sound. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that, you can see I've successfully synced your video to your sound. So that's it guys, this is how to sync audio and video on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.